SBR Alumni Convention Hall walkthrough. Approaching the building. Welcome on board SBR, the synonym of education in our Kalyana Karnataka region. Run under the aegis of the centenary celebrated Sharanabasweshwara Vidya Vardak Sangha, the SBR Public School was established by Pujya Dr. Sharanabaswappa Appaji, the 8th Mahadasoha Peethadipati, President Sharanabasweshwara Vidya Vardak Sangha and Chancellor Sharanabaswa University. While the school celebrated its Golden Jubilee last year, its offshoot SBR Composite PU Science College is now celebrating its Silver Jubilee. And the CBSE wing, Appa Public School, is in its 10th year. The alumni established the SBR Alumni Association last year, and its boisterous result is the SBR Alumni Convention Hall. Let us walk through it. A marvelous monumental edifice to an iconic institution. The Convention Hall has been modelled upon the Indo-Saracenic architectural style, which involves towering domes, astoundingly high double columns with an awe-inspiring arches and brackets. It close resembles with our own Lord Sharanabasweshwara shrine, along with many more intrinsic features, not only reflects the testimonials of the grand architecture of our holy land, but also contributes to stun the visitors. The entire SBI Alumni Convention Hall is an adequate amalgam of traditional architecture and modern technology. It comprises of 4 floors catering to customers' multiple future needs. From small functions to large celebrations and from seminars to sports. You name it, you have it. It's everything under one roof. With an overall built area of 66,000 square feet, the edifice facing the SBR PU College rises up to 70 feet into the sky. Ground floor. It's an expansive and air-conditioned hall built for multiple utilities like vehicle parking, tabletop indoor sports and even small gatherings. To the right from the entrance is the Doddappa Appa Mini Seminar Hall with a seating capacity of 150. It is equipped with all the latest tech gadgets. To its front side are the sprawling staircase and heavy-duty elevators, while to its backside are located the electricity room, a power generator room and a store room. Walk to the left to find the Annadasoha Hall with an attached kitchen is towards the east side. Now let us take the steps to reach the first floor. First floor. As we enter the floor, a 30-feet balcony welcomes the guests, which can be used as a pavilion for the outdoor sports. There are provisions for makeshift scoreboards as well. The pavilion leads us to the Vidya Bhandari Pujya Dr. Sharanabasappa Appa Sabha Mantap. With an estimated seating capacity of around 2,000 people, the convention hall is centrally air-conditioned and equipped with the latest high-tech gadgets. The 600 square feet stage has a ramp on its right side, a super deluxe lounge for VIPs on its left side, along with green rooms on either sides. The floor also has the Annadasoha Hall with an attached kitchen is towards the east side. For a change, instead of the steps, let's get into the elevator to go to the next floor. Second floor. The tall walls of this floor produce a sharp contrast with the other 3. Yes, it is the Chiranjeevi Doddappa Appa Indoor Sports Complex. A huge 16,500 square feet hall will be ready to conduct various indoor sports like basketball, shuttlecock and table tennis. The floor also has the Annadasoha Hall with an attached kitchen is towards the east side. Now, let us get into the elevator once again to go to the next floor. Third floor. Third floor. The floor has the Mathosri Dakshayani Appa Multi-Purpose Hall. It is an air-conditioned hall with a seating capacity of over 1,000 people. It has the Anna Dasoha Hall with an attached kitchen is towards the east side. While there are 9 air-conditioned guest rooms on its east side, the lobby too has the provision to be converted into a small hall for a very limited gathering. Keeping safety features in mind, the rear side is built with an emergency exit as well, connecting all the floors. Also, every floor has exclusive restrooms for men and women. Let us take the emergency exit now to experience how quickly and safely one can reach the ground. An appeal. Has not this very walkthrough touched your hearts? The hall is modelled as a resemblance of all the 15,000 plus SBRians. Pride and affection for their alma mater. As the estimated cost itself is 15 crores, your generous donation will help all our alumni's dream come true. The vulnerable donors' names will be on the wall of fame, exclusively dedicated for the purpose, thus respecting and eternalizing every donor. This is one golden chance for eternalizing yourself to be remembered by the future generations. Once again, welcome to the towering edifice of SBR Alumni Convention Hall, Kalburgi, Karnataka.